You're probably wondering why we named this a crappy video. I couldn't think of another name, neither could Linda, so this is what it is. It's a crappy video. A lot of times you're out traveling in the desert, 10, 12, 14 hours. Lo and behold, you need a bathroom and there is none. So what do? There's all kinds of sayings, and people go out and they just find rocks or something, but they're usually really inconvenient. We found a lot easier way to make this a successful trip without putting you through any misery. It's a crappy video. Let's go see, and Linda's going to show us how this works. Alright, Linda's going to show us how this works. This is called the off-road Commode. It's all steel, so it's very sturdy.
This is nice. You don't have to worry about looking for a tree
Or a rock or something.
You don't find trees out in the desert. This is to protect the seat.
And so you don't have to leave a mess out there in the desert. Very sturdy. It'll hold my weight. It's rated for 500 pounds.
And it's pretty comfortable, so I think I'll stay here for a while.
Yeah, you're going to use it for just a seat, right? Alright, thanks for the demonstration.
We'll just take the bag. And close it with the ties. You know how to close a bag. Get the air out of it, whatever. And then you can stick it back in the can and wait till you get home, or... Okay.
Really nice, convenient off-road Commode.
So it's rated for what?
Well, this is rated for 500 pounds. I'm not 500. No problem. You're right, it is comfortable. You could just use this for a seat.
Have a sandwich while you're at it.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I think that pretty much explains a crappy video.
Somebody's coming.
Okay, that's it.